What is going on, YouTube? Today, it is Sunday. This is Mikey with East Tennessee. In case a lot of you guys didn't know or don't know, or whoever know, but you're going to figure it out. This is Mikey with East Tennessee. I'm working today, but not for a customer. I'm at home, cleaning my gutters. You know, sometimes a lawn care guy has to take care of his own house. Well, this ain't my house, it's my brother's, but you have to take care of your property where you live at, is what you got to do. I want to show you guys these gutters, and I already know you guys are going to laugh at me. You're going to laugh at me, but that's okay. When you're by yourself and you really want somebody to hold the ladder, just use your mower. That's what I do. Use your zero turn. Your body weight and that backpack blower is not going to pick up the zero turn. It might look dumb, guys, but it's serving the purpose. If that ladder goes to kick out, I'm not going to pick up that mower. So, let me show you these gutters. Y'all see them? Yeah, y'all see them. And what we're going to use to clean them out with, the old trusty 600. Old trusty 600. That's what we're going to use. Looks a little wore out, but you know what? It runs like brand new. So, there's the before. I'm going to put it on pause and get back with y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all. I did the front. I'm going to see if I can get the back in action. Make sure you get the valleys. Right there, it's called a valley. Make sure you get it. Sometimes you might have a stick or two you have to get out of it. Always blow your roof off.